the need for speed, ranking the quickest cars you can buy under $100K. Are you looking to get your hands on a fast car, one that doesn't cost a fortune? Well, look no further. In this video, we give you a speedy sneak peek into some of the fastest cars in the world that you can buy for just less than $100,000. Power your way through the road and hear your speed machine roar with these classic road killers. So without much ado, let's gear right in with the Dodge Hellcat, starting at $31,000. One of the three high-performance Dodge Challengers, the Dodge Heckler model is where tires go to die. As intimidating as it is iconic, the Hellcat comes with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine to back up the hype. One of the last coupes with a classic American-style V8 Thunder, the Dodge Hellcat was one of the most powerful engines we know, where you can unleash 500 horsepower of pure acceleration. But wait, it gets better. With a red fob key, you can step up your engine game to 717 horsepower. Pretty insane, right? With classic Hellcat badge on both the exterior and interior of the car, this speed machine has a distinct and timeless look. With a fuel usage of 13 miles per gallon in the city and up to 22 miles per gallon on the highway, the Dodge Hellcat comes with a 70-liter fuel tank. With leather finery and unique badging and gauge colors, the Hellcat is also easy on the eyes. And if you're someone who enjoys a little more space and comfort, the Hellcat gives you a super roomy cabin and a big center console bin so you can stick your smartphone right where you need it. Tesla Model Y, $49,990. When it comes to pioneers in the car-making world, Tesla is probably the first brand that comes to mind. Leading the world into the future with fully electric SUVs, Tesla cars have much to offer. With a 330-mile driving range on a full charge, the Tesla Model Y is one of the most premium Tesla makes out there. In fact, did you know you can recharge the Model Y to 162 miles in just 15 minutes? With more than 45,000 supercharger locations around the world, that pretty much means you never have to fuel up ever again. Thanks to its all-wheel drive dual-motor engine, this electric power machine is one smooth drive, with the two ultra-responsive independent electric motors helping you digitally control torque to the front and rear wheels. Going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds, the Tesla Model Y is sure to get you places. As expected, the Tesla Model Y also comes with some high-tech features you're going to love. With powerful visual processing at up to 250 meters of range and a Tesla Vision feature that helps you detect nearby cars, the Tesla Model Y is the most driver-friendly car you can ever find. Able to carry 7 passengers and their cargo, did you know each second row seat in the Tesla Model Y folds flat, giving you more storage for ski trips and move-in days? BMW M3. Starting at $62,600, where speed meets style, the M3 is part of a limited edition launched in 2023. Powered by an impressive 543 units of horsepower, the BMW M3 is the speed machine you have been waiting for. Going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, the M3 is definitely one of the fastest cars on our list. With a twin-power turbo that gives you superior power delivery, and that striking M sound we all love. With a maximum torque of up to 350 Newton, this bad boy will have you slicing through the wind in no time. Corvette Stingray, $64,500. Probably one of the most economical options for a speed car, the Corvette Stingray gives you the best value for money, and that too without compromising in your undying love and passion for speed. In fact, did you know a Corvette Stingray can go from 0 to 60 miles in just 2.9 seconds? With a maximum available horsepower of 495, making this power ride one of the fastest cars you can buy under $100K. Powered by 495 units of horsepower, the Corvette Stingray has a top track speed of more than 194 miles per hour. So you want to fasten your seatbelts as you gear up. With a maximum available torque of 470 pound-per-feet, this supercar killer puts exotic-level performance within reach for the average Joe and Joanne. Rocketing a quarter mile in just 11.2 seconds, the LT2 V8 engine in the Stingray is built to impress just about any driver. Bold and breathtaking, this 8th generation Corvette is beautifully sculpted with potent aerodynamics, helping you pierce through the air with sheer speed and precision. Feel yourself take on any challenge on the road with the Stingray 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and forged aluminum wheels. The Stingray also boasts a unique driver mode selector that lets you electronically control 12 performance variables on screen to ready your Stingray for any road at the turn of a dial. Everything changes. And with the 70th anniversary logo printed on seats, sill plates, and wheel center caps, feel yourself to be a part of Chevrolet's 70-year history as one of the most popular car makers in the world. 2022 Mustang Shelby GT500, starting at $79,420. Feel the power in your core with this Ford masterpiece. The 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is all you'd want in a car and more. With a supercharged V8 engine, say hello to the most impressive Mustang ride of your life. Thanks to its incredible 750 horsepower and 625 pound-per-feet of torque, this power buster is pretty much the speed machine we all want. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is ideal for performance driving. The Shelby GT500 also gives you great value for money. Dominate the road like a royal with these 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels. Sprawling over a 107.1-inch long wheelbase, this rear-wheel drive will give you a solid grip on the road. As you seat yourself comfortably in leather-trimmed sports seats, the Shelby gives you support and comfort all in one. Light up your journeys with the Shelby's unique My Color feature, which allows you to change the light hues inside your car to match your every mood. Audi RS5 Coupe, $77,900. With a starting price of $77,900, the Audi RS5 is truly one of a kind. With its concentrated high performance and irresistible style, the RS5 makes sure your every ride is more powerful than the last. Going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, built for sheer performance, the Audi RS5 features muscular wide fenders stylishly combined with a sleek bod style. Thanks to a twin-turbo V6 engine, the RS5 puts out 444 horsepower, giving you the most exhilarating ride of your life. With 442 pound-per-feet exerted on all four wheels, the RS5 gives you just the right amount of speed and stability you'd want. AMG C63S Coupe, $81,850 MSRP price. When it comes to class and comfort, nothing beats a good old Merc, especially the Mercedes AMG C63S, which comes with all the makings of a supercar. Going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds within this 9-speed automatic transmission, you're in for a power ride. Thanks to a handcrafted bit-turbo V8, with the AMG 63, you can unleash a 516 pound-per-feet torrent of torque, which is definitely one of the highest torques in our list. The AMG comes with a cargo capacity of 10.5 cubic feet and a fuel economy of 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. And probably one of its most chic-looking feature is the 10.25-inch high-resolution center display with a slim visor-free design staying vivid in sunlight and looking against all the time. And guess what? The AMG 63 doesn't only give you the gift of speed, but also helps you track your car's speed and performance over time. Thanks to the AMG Track Pace feature, you can store performance data from your vehicle in the command system during track driving, such as speed, acceleration, and lap and sector times. Feel yourself in control with these 19-inch twin 5-spoke wheels, where aggressive style meets advanced technologies to give you the most power-packed drive of your life. With these high-powered drives, you're all set to gear up. Which one of these fast supercars do you fancy the most? Let us know in a comment below. And for more amazing videos about cars and all things mobile, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates. And since you're here, don't forget to hit that like button on your way out to help us grow. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.